What's up, Poke fam? It's Pokeboy Kai back again, and today we're here with a Pokemon Mega Charizard X EX tin opening. So here's the tin, and there's the promo card inside, and it comes with 4 boosters. So 1 foil promo card featuring Mega Charizard X EX, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live. Of course, you already know I'm going to be giving away that code card for free, and every other code card that comes along with the packs inside. So let's get to it. I think they're making these tins harder and harder to open, to be honest, but yeah, so there's the card. Maybe not the tins, but definitely the plastic around them. So there's the code card inside. It looks phenomenal, I'm not even going to lie. So the best way to rip this is to rip it right there at the side, and then you can just pop the card out without getting it damaged. So there's a better look at the promo card that's inside of the tin, and we'll sleeve that up, make sure it's nice and safe. The promo card, it's saying that it's worth $20, so it's basically covering almost the whole value of the tin, or 2/3 of the value of the tin. So you're getting 4 booster packs for, well, we're paying €28 in Ireland. That's where I'm based. That's how much they're going for the tins. So if you add up $20 into euro, it's about, say, 17, or €20 into dollars is about, so I think, what, $20 into euro, you're looking about, say, 17, I think it's roughly €17. So it means you're paying, what, €11 for 4 packs. It's working at about three quid a pack. So we get 2 Phantasmal Flames, 1 Mega Evolution, and 1 Journey Together. So yeah, we'll start off with the Phantasmal Flames. Let's hope we get something good. There's the code card for whoever wants it. And let's hope we get something good. So, basic energy, Prinplup, Sabli, Charcadet, Yamper, Grand Bull, Cereluge, Punk Helmet, Palmy Reverse Hollow, Zagoon Reverse Hollow, and a Zacian Hollow. So nothing in that pack of Phantasmal Flames. Let's get into the next one. Let's hope we pull something good. So there's the code card. And we have a basic energy, water, Prinplup, Sabli, Charcadet, Yamper, Grimsley's Move, Paldean Tauros, Low Kicks, Haunch Crow, Reverse Hollow, Fire Breather, Reverse Hollow, and a Mega Heracross EX. So there's our first hit. Looks pretty sweet. Looks like a pretty nice card. So we'll sleeve that up. I don't know what the Mega Heracross goes for. I'm presuming it's not anything too crazy, but look, at least we got 2 cards out of it anyway. So now we're moving on to the Mega Evolution. I actually pulled the Helioptile SIR in my other Charizard video, so let's hope we get something good in this pack as well. Let's give us another SIR. Right, basic energy, Toxicroak, Seedot, Ralts, Stuffle, Celebi, Stonejourner, Forest of Vitality, and Ultra Ball. Reverse Hollow, I'm pretty sure are hollow. A Snom Reverse Hollow, and a Clawitzer Hollow. So nothing special there in them packs. So now we're moving on to the last pack. A Journey Together. Come on, Journey Together. Don't let us down. At least give us 2 from 2, or 2 from 4, should I say. So there's the code card, whoever wants that code card. And once we get to 50 subscribers, I'm going to be doing live videos. So make sure everyone like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube. And like, comment, and follow if you're on TikTok. Because as soon as we get to 50 followers or 50 subscribers on each platform, we're going to start doing live pack openings. Basic Energy, Grass, Joltik, Ends Joltik, Larvesta, Beldum, Torkoal, Hop Sandconda, Copper Ja, Ends Castle, Reverse Hollow Drudigon, Reverse Hollow Hop Silicobra, and a Hollow Wailord. So no hits. All we got was the Mega Metacross, or sorry, the Mega Heracross EX. So that's our only hit. And then of course we have the promo card, the Mega Charizard EX. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow. And if you can share on all platforms, it'd be very much appreciated. Pokeboy Kai, over and out.